Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's July 23rd, 2025, and it's about 7:30 p.m. and Cecil wants to go feed the animals. And he's not liking the sprinkler that's running though. I thought so. Well, it's a little closer to 7. That's a little later than that. We'll get the hay. We just get the milk bucket. I'll give them hay first to get them away from the gate down here. Here they come. They're racing pig. Oh, there she goes. Well, now it's 7:30. All the animals are taken care of. Billow's been milked. Everyone's got hay and they got the grain. Everyone's happy. There's some weeds that Lisa threw in there. The goats are having a field day with those down at the end there. That's why they're not over here eating their hay. Weeds taste better. Well, I appreciate you watching. I'll catch you next time.